I think Dutch is going. Dutch is trying to get out in the snow. What happened? What happened? What happened to you? Oh, you got stuck? Oh no. That's not fun. Is Katie there? Where? She's coming? Where is she? He wants a bigger playground back here. Yeah. Look how far he has to go to get to the fence. He's not going to make it. Oh. Are you stuck again? Oh. Come on, Bubba. That's not for you. That snow is not for you. Come on. Yeah. Okay, come on in.